Hi, my name is Jaren. I am a drone pilot. I am the co-founder slash owner operator of Barn Owl Drone Services. And today, it's kind of started out a little bit rough. Uh, I was doing my thing. It's springtime. It's actually getting closer to summer, but anyway, calling up some customers, and I find out that the economic downturn has affected farmers a lot more than I kind of anticipated. So I lost some business. I'm really pulling for these guys. I gotta figure out a way to help them out. But anyway, I'm gonna share something with you that I do when I'm having some tough times. It's all about gratitude. So the great Ray Willie Hubbard III once said in his song Mother Blues, it's a great song, you guys should check it out. He said, "The days that I keep my gratitude higher than my expectations, I have really good days." And that's true. It always works for me. So I'm gonna tell you some stuff that I'm grateful for, and then give you some super sweet drone footage to look at, and maybe you can find something to be grateful for as well. Today I'm grateful that we have water. Today I'm grateful that the sun came up. Today I'm very grateful that I had another successful drone flight, and all the equipment came back unharmed, and everybody ended up safe. So hope you guys have a good one. Bye.